everybody, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are going to change out another sensor. So today we're changing out an MAF sensor. This one is Hitachi brand. This is what the sensor looks like. So this car is getting up there in miles. We have over 224,000 miles, and I figured preventative maintenance. So I'm gonna just change out all the old sensors. So we'll make sure this car runs in tip-top shape. But all right, well, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and do this kind of quick. Pop the hood. So as usual, you look at the emblem right here on the left-hand side. It's a safety release catch right here. Pull this up, your hood lifts up. The sensor is located right here. So 2 Phillips screws and the connector. So we'll go ahead and press this tab on this connector, slide it off. Came off pretty easy. These 2 screws. So this is our sensor. Make sure it looks the same. Kind of size it up. All right, grab that PH2 size Phillips screwdriver. Right, press down and rotate counterclockwise. All right, there's 1 screw. Make sure you don't drop the screws. Right, press down and rotate. Screws are out. All right, the sensor lifts right up. So this is the original OEM one. And it's actually the same brand. It's Hitachi brand. So here's the old one, here's the new one. Has the exact same numbers, so this is an OEM one. Cool. It was a good price. I didn't even realize it was going to be OEM. But all right, let's go ahead and pop this back in its place. So it's always a nice surprise to find out you get OEM parts for not an OEM price. So first you put it on there pretty loose for the first screw. And here's the second screw. So you want it to line up and make a pretty good seal before you tighten this. All right, so I'm pushing down pressure. And I'm going to go back and forth. So that it pushes the seal down evenly. Okay, now I'm going to tighten it much more. All right, so it's going into plastic. You don't need to tighten it way too much. All right, go ahead and put this connector back on. Make sure you hear it click. So don't push that on the wires, but push on the connector. There we go. You heard it click. All right, we're good to go. That's it. That's how you change out a mass airflow sensor on a 2010 to 2013 Acura ZDX. Let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. Start the engine. All right, we're good to go. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive. Engine sounds pretty good.